Where you fucking
But I wasn't a bitch.
when I was driving the phone, and then the contract, I was really scared, like, I go check. You can go to jail for that. But the children working, their friends,
You can also change, is it necessary to have money to be happy?
Okay, you guys ready? So you talked about some tendencies, yes? The tendency of an IR going before what letter? Yes, an IL before an L. And there are some rules, however, and I'd like you to help me complete the following 4 rules. All right?
Yeah.
So, all the rights. A prefix comes at the what of a word? Help me.
beginning.
Good job.
That one is a B5.
I didn't say they were difficult rules. All right. What about this one? Perhaps a little bit. A prefix changes the.
Meaning.
Who got Sue?
Shoot, wait. She didn't put it on the board.
Let everyone count. A prefix changes the.
Meaning.
So you can do the.
Philip.
Okay, I do the extra. I'm not going to actually put it up yet. Philip, can you give me an example of a prefix changing a meaning of a word?
Sure. Why are you asking me?
Because you were laughing at me, maybe.
I was not laughing at you.
Look at the words that you just talked to Sora about.
So,
Can you think of
none.
one?
And.
Whoa.
You said something. Look at one of your words with prefixes. Can you tell me one?
Yeah, this.
Just what?
Disaffected. No, wait, disobey.
Disobey. Okay, what's the opposite?
Can I take another one?
But okay, just like you chose, but disobey, same thing. So.
Yeah, but obey is just, a short state, like, how can you say it? It's just a word to express power.
Power? Okay. Did you obey or disobey your parents when you were a child?
I obeyed.
Yeah, I can
Like everybody.
How does a prefix change the meaning of the word? In this case, it takes
The opposite.
right. So, all right.
And.
Oh, this time. Okay, you can put a prefix on what kind of word forms. What are our word forms? There are 4 of them. When we do word formation, what are we talking about? Verbs. Can you put a prefix on a verb?
Yes.
Do?
Yeah.
What's the opposite of do?
Not
Alright, so verbs, what else?
Adjectives.
Can you give me an example? Adjectives, okay.
I try to think of one.
Good, relevant, irrelevant, that was good. You can look at your list if you want. Can you put it on anything else? Adverbs, can you give an example? Ah, okay.
Focus.
Verbs, adjectives, adverbs, is that good?
Maybe nouns.
Can you think of an example of a noun with
No.
a prefix?
Not really.
You can? So, I'm going to pick on the boys. Till, I know because I know. Till, between classes, likes to go outside and?
Smoke.
Yes, okay, so Till is a smoker.
Non-smoker.
However,
Non-smoker.
yes, a non-smoker. However, Sora used to smoke. He doesn't smoke anymore. He's a non-smoker, or what's another, the prefix for former. I used to, but I don't anymore.
Non-smoker. X.
Good, an ex-smoker. Yes? So in that case, smoker is a noun. So actually, you can put prefixes on all of them.
Then you like add the dash thing?
He was like,
Mhm.
different down.
Right.
Exactly. Yep.
No.
Dashly. All right, and the last one, a prefix. Word stress. Think about the relationship between prefix and word stress. We have a word. Can someone give me a word from your discussion
The
question?
stress is on the prefix.
Does it change the word stress? Let's look at it. Can you give me an example?
Obey,
From-
disobey. This
Okay.
is and stress.
Yeah, it puts the stress in
Obey.
the
To.
this.
Yeah, but you're
Real.
supposed to the prefix. Disobey.
Relevant.
You say fast, you say this fast.
Relevant.
How many syllables does obey have?
2.
2. So we say oh,
Hey.
obey. Where's the stress?
Hey.
All right. So there are 2 syllables. The stress is on the second syllable. Right? What about this one? How do you say the next word?
This
How-
obey.
How many syllables are there?
3.
Okay. Where is the stress? Diso.
Disobey.
Mm-hmm. Does it change? Does it change the word stress? I'll give you another one. For example,
Real in
legal.
Illegal.
Mm-hmm. Legal. Legal. Yep. Again, so we have 2, 1, and here. Yep. Okay. The word stress, it was tricky. So a prefix changes the word stress. True or false? False. It does not change the word stress. It doesn't tend to change the word stress, I should say. Not never, but yeah. All right. So up until now, I've given you examples with negative prefixes. On these pieces of paper, I have some other prefixes. What I'd like you to do is, with your group, I would like you to decide what the prefixes mean. Yeah? Joanna, what the prefixes mean. If you cannot figure out a definition of the prefix, at least come up with an example of a word with a prefix, and that might help you. There you go. When flipping back. Thanks. We've already done that one. I saw it after I gave it to you. You can look at it. You can look at it. I'd like you to look at the prefix and decide with your group what it means. If you can't figure out a definition for it, come up with an example.
I can write.
You know what it means?
Yeah. What is he doing again? Coast.
Tells the meaning what it is.
I'll back Philip.
And he's again.
Postmodel.
Post
You can
what?
say postmodel.
Post model?
Model down.
It's a tough one.
Model.
Mud.
It can be model with your clothes. It can be modern. It
So
can be
decide together.
Just
If
say
you
from
can't
modern,
look at
no.
If you can't come up with a definition, an
That's
example will
a
help.
period of time.
But no, it's
That's
just
right
a
now.
prefix.
Mhm.
Post.
Yeah, post. It's new. It means new. I actually think it's Latin.
This is
If you say postmodern, it's the time we're living in.
which it is.
The time we're living
So
right
vote
now.
for instance.
Postmodern society.
But like, I already heard like people like say
What?
And he is a pseudo doctor.
Don't.
Then he just
Son.
tells you he's a
Son.
socialist.
Sounds right.
Like that.
Maybe yeah. Post. When do you have colors?
So if I say to you,
But it's really really small. Like my little
Nice.
yeah,
My
my
watch.
truck is really small.
Tu aimes la pub?
Yeah.
Like
if I say,
they
I'm a teacher.
Yeah.
I'm Swedish.
Laura?
Pseudo.
Yes, Riley.
We were talking about post and
Yeah, it's a period of time.
yeah, post apartment.
Okay,
That's the time we're limiting.
What?
alright.
Post society.
So what do you think post means?
New.
A period of time.
Okay,
After something.
Post means new in Latin.
does it? Interesting.
Is
This is Joanna, I think Joanna has something.
like Lauren?
After.
I think she's on something. I'm gonna give you guys one more per group.
Like for
Decide
I
together.
don't know how it's in
It's
English.
easy.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the
Like,
same.
Yeah, for the whole group.
We have one thing.
After
So I have
you
four
finish
extras.
college, you have something else.
Yeah?
The master's they call it here, but in Spanish it is like
Multicultural. What is
after
that?
Proactive. If you're proactive,
yeah, you
then
are
you're doing it.
You're saying it's
no, no, like
No,
you are
if
No,
you're,
no, but proactive is
it's like you're
yeah, you're doing it before, that's right, you can describe it that way, like, before someone forces you to do it.
He said proactive.
You're just doing it with
I did
yourself.
my homework yesterday, even if it's done before tomorrow.
Yeah.
Proactive.
this is how green is.
Disrespect? No.